Experience a cleaning revolution with our cordless vacuum cleaners. Packed with power, smart features, and sleek designs, these models redefine cleaning convenience. Bid farewell to old hassles and welcome a new era of efficiency. BUTURE JR700. Experience cleaning innovation with the upgraded color touchscreen, offering 3 modes, Eco Standard Boost, and real-time status tracking. Boasting 33 kPa and 450 W powerful suction, it outperforms 90% of vacuums, ensuring a thorough clean. Enjoy a runtime of up to 55 minutes, and the 2-in-1 tangle-free roller effortlessly handles carpets and floors. LARESAR Elite 6 Cordless Vacuum, a cleaning powerhouse. Boasting a 450-watt motor with 33 kPa suction, it's versatile across all surfaces. The color display offers convenient settings and diagnostics, making your cleaning routine seamless. Enjoy a lengthy 55-minute runtime, and the 7-stage filtration system ensures a thorough cleanup, capturing 99.98% of dust particles. The innovative electric floor brush, equipped with a V-shaped roller, guarantees efficient and tangle-free cleaning. Redkey W12 SE Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Harnessing the power of electrolytic water, it achieves an impressive 99.9% germ removal rate. With one-touch self-cleaning, featuring a high-speed roller brush and hands-free tube washing, it ensures hygiene and mold prevention. This versatile cleaner handles both wet and dry waste effortlessly, from raw eggs to animal hair. Benefit from a 90% plus wastewater recovery rate, promoting fast drying and anti-slip surfaces. Plus, its low-noise design at 80 decibels guarantees a quiet cleaning experience. IDEACH Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse with 10 kPa suction for versatile cleaning. From homes to cars, it's your go-to for mite removal. With LED lighting and 2-speed options, no corner is left untouched. The 150W dual motors and 5-layer filter system ensure thorough cleaning, while the electric mite brush and carbon fiber floor brushes add precision. Tineco A11. Lightweight and easy to lift for high spaces, it features a specially designed brush to tackle hair messes without tangling. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of runtime, illuminated by front LED lights for dark spaces. With 4-stage HEPA filtration capturing 99% of particles, plus washable filters, it ensures stable suction performance.